Do you know you can control your energy just like you can control your mind, just like you can control your thoughts? If you can control your energy, you have now mastered yourself. So, what do I mean by controlling your energy? Well, we're all energy and particles. So around your body, you have an aurora. You have energy. You have energy that's coming out and coming in. And most people allow that energy to go out in a free will and come in a free will, and it distorts your energy. Just like if you allow every thought to come into your mind and become a feeling or emotion, you're not controlling that. So you need to control your energy. How do you control your energy? Well, when something happens, let's say something's going on and you don't agree with it, right? Well, you could definitely speak your mind, speak what you have to say, and then after that, push that energy away. And do it with your hands. Take it and push it away. Say, that is not mine. That don't belong to me. That is not mine. That energy stays over there. And protect yourself. Don't allow it to come into your energy field. Because if you do, then now your energy that energy that you just exerted is now going to turn into thoughts, feelings, and emotions. And then it's going to put you through a turmoil. It's going to, in a turmoil, it's going to allow you to become discombobulated. It's going to allow you to have anger, fear, and frustration. And so instead of getting to that level, what you got to do is say, okay, that is not mine. That is not my energy. And take it and push it away from you, because you have to physically push that stuff away from you. Keep it away from you. Get rid of that energy. That is not for you. Once you do this, you're absolutely going to master yourself. You definitely will, because you're going to realize now that things don't affect you like they used to. You're going to realize that it is what it is. Things are happening. It is what it is. And you can, definitely try to resolve it or, express your opinion. But if it begins to turn into like an argument or a debate or something, at that point, just push that stuff away. Say, whatever. You live your own life. You are the creator of your own life. So you're going to allow, if you allow energy to come into you that's going to affect you, you're doing that. You're allowing that. So just get rid of it. One thing that I have been through a lot of stuff in life, and as you watch some of my videos, you're going to see this or hear this, but before in my past, I didn't know how to control my energy. And my energy would turn into rage and anger and fear. It would also turn into isolation. It'd make me just like, okay, whatever, and stay, basically suppress my emotions. So my energy, because I allow certain energy in or energy out, now it's became an emotion, and I end up suppressing it. And then that stuff is not healthy for you. You become depressed, you have anxiety, you have fear, you have rage, so have you ever went through life and some of the most dumbest things, made you pissed? You all of a sudden get pissed over some of the dumbest things. That is not what made you pissed. What made you pissed is all that other energy you allowed in and all the energy you gave out. And then that takes that one little thing there to happen that makes you act the way you acted. Or no, reacted the way you reacted, I should say. So most important thing, control your energy. This energy belongs to you, just like your mind and your thoughts belong to you. You allow what you want in, and you allow to, whatever to get out, what you want to get out. If you control this, you are the creator of your life. So as you control your energy, take deep breaths and then blood out. That's not my energy. Gone. And then this is going to allow you to clear your mind a little, stabilize and balance your emotions and feelings. And it also allow you to be able to handle your anger. It'll also allow you to get rid of depression. So if you are depressed out there, if you're getting depressed, why are you depressed? There's something that's making you depressed. So what you need to do is you need to get rid of that type of energy out of you. You need to get rid of your. That's why people sage. Sage, you're getting rid of that energy that doesn't belong to you. It doesn't do you any good. It doesn't do you any justice. So, meditate helps you clear your mind from all the noise and helps you, focus on yourself, self-love. It also allows you to go into a transit, like a state of mind where you're now deciphering what's a feeling, what's emotion, and what is it if it's just energy that don't belong to you. So the best thing I can tell you, the number one thing, is control your energy. Your energy is your most important and most valuable asset within you, what you have, because energy leads to a lot of different problems. We're going to have some more videos on this energy thing. I just figured I'd share that this morning. Have a great day.